Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a legal dispute letter with FindLaw, full guide step by step clearly. To create a legal dispute letter using FindLaw, begin by accessing the FindLaw website. Once on the home page, navigate to the search bar. Type in legal dispute letter and hit enter. Find the article or template that best suits your needs. Open the template to review its content and structure. Familiarize yourself with the components of a legal dispute letter. These components typically include your contact information, the recipient's information, and the date. Next, carefully read through any examples provided. This will give you insight into the tone and format necessary for your letter. Begin drafting your letter by including your name and address at the top. Below this, add the date of writing the letter. Next, write the recipient's name and address. Begin the body of the letter with a clear and concise introduction. State the purpose of your letter right away. Outline the specific dispute in a straightforward manner. Include relevant details such as dates, specific incidents, and any previous communications. Use clear and direct language throughout the letter. If applicable, refer to any legal rights or obligations relevant to your situation. Be sure to express your desired outcome or resolution. Conclude your letter with a polite closing statement. Sign the letter with your name and any relevant titles. Before finalizing, review the letter for clarity and any grammatical errors. Once satisfied, you can print or save the letter as needed. Consider sending the letter via certified mail for tracking purposes. Follow up if you do not receive a response in a reasonable time frame. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.